Oh yeah, look at that thing. Honeybee in there. 1, 2, 3. Hey everybody, this is Single Seed Challenge update number 4. So Scott Head started the Single Seed Challenge. I learned about it from Gardener Scott's YouTube channel. And this is my Single Seed Challenge, American Giant Hybrid Sunflower. So these two, back in the beginning of March, both froze. They both got about 28 degree temperature, froze solid, didn't think they were going to make it, so I planted another one the same day that I learned about the Single Seed Challenge. This is my Single Seed Challenge plant. And this Single Seed Challenge plant is 80 inches high. So 80 inches. So that's 6 foot 8 inches. Now, these American Giant Hybrid Sunflowers, they can get up to 16 feet tall. In fact, these right here, they've already been pollinated. I got a couple bees on this one right now, so I got to make sure I don't get stung. But they're going to be ready for harvesting here shortly. So I love the American Giant Hybrid Sunflower. Like I said, it brings the bees in. Really big sunflower seeds, and the Single Seed Challenge was just awesome. Here's my Single Seed Challenge pot that I had, and we'll keep looking at it. I'm going to bring it around the other side so that way you can take a look at the bees inside. Look at them honeybees work. Man, do they ever love sunflowers. Bringing them all into the garden. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Push the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.